Welcome back to 44 Tech Zone, everyone. Today's spotlight is on the OnePlus 12, a device that's buzzing with its high-end specifications and bold design choices. With the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset under the hood and a palette of vibrant colors, there's a lot to unpack. Let's dive in and see if the OnePlus 12 stands tall amidst the expectations. Packing some serious power, the OnePlus 12 steps up the game with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, pushing the boundaries of performance. Coupled with a larger battery and the comeback of wireless charging, this phone is all about enhancing your day-to-day tech life. But with a kickoff price of 64,999 rupees, it begs the question, does it merit moving on from the OnePlus 11? Let's dive deeper into this tech marvel. Design and durability decoded. The OnePlus 12 isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement. Whether you're drawn to the bold green or the classic matte black, both options come armored with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for that essential blend of toughness and elegance. It's a tad thicker and heavier than its predecessor, but there's a solid reason behind every curve. We'll dig into how these design tweaks translate into real-world use. Wrapping up, the OnePlus 12 brings significant updates across the board, from its processing power and battery life to its aesthetic appeal. Despite the price leap from the OnePlus 11, the array of enhancements might well validate the investment. But we're curious about your take. Is the OnePlus 12 the game changer it promises to be? Drop your insights below. Thanks for tuning in. If you found our deep dive into the OnePlus 12 insightful, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't miss out on our future tech talks by ringing that bell. Keep staying tech smart, and we'll catch you in the next video.